The world over, mankind has been struggling with a simple fact. We all age and we will eventually grow old. Our bodies are made out from components of organs, and our organs are made out from about 220 kinds of cells. Aging simply means our cells wither away faster than it can regenerate. As we grow older, we are also prone to a host of chronic and aging diseases. The pure fact remains when our cells get injured or damaged, no amount of exercise, sleep or balanced diet will ever be fully adequate to revitalize or repair our cells. Our cells are as old as we are, and without an external vigorous regenerative factor, it is impossible to attain the lifestyle that we so often dream about. We aim to add quality life to years and not years to life. People often equate vitality with the young and strong. We aim to equate quite otherwise. The ability to slow aging or fight a host of chronic diseases equates to precursor stem cells. FCTI Inc., with its operational office based in Switzerland, is the world's largest provider of its innovative precursor stem cells, cultured from own proprietary procedure of primary cell tissue culture that has been perfected over years of extensive research and development. Unlike embryonic stem cells, the precursor stem cells we cultured through our proprietary procedure of primary cell tissue culturing are committed to follow a predetermined path of differentiation along a fixed specific direction. This guarantees that the cells we cultured divides through cell division and turns into a specialized cell of the tissue of origin. Throughout Europe for 80 years, therapeutic use of cell therapy, including precursor stem cells, has accumulated sufficient data to ensure its safety to mankind. Regeneration is accomplished by direct stimulation of the recipient's own malfunctioning cells, or when the precursor stem cells specialize to replace damaged or injured cells in the human body that has been ravaged by injury or disease. With over 20 years of experience, FCTI stands at the latest threshold in the science of biotechnology in modern integrative therapies and regenerative medicine, where our autologous precursor stem cells can potentially restore functions to injured, diseased, and debilitated tissues and organs. Unlike other conventional autologous stem cells, our autologous precursor stem cells are manufactured via FCTI proprietary primary tissue culture, which involves a specialized segregation of targeted precursor stem cells from other cells. Our proprietary autologous precursor stem cell therapy has set an unprecedented milestone in the treatment of various diseases where conventional treatments and therapies have failed or considered untreatable. FCTI autologous precursor stem cell therapy is an individualized treatment that uses the patient's stem cells procured from their own blood cultured using FCTI proprietary procedure of primary cell tissue culturing. It has been revolutionized after extensive research, cultured under good manufacturing practice, GMP, and with in-depth clinical experience to enable physicians to treat patients with precision while not compromising on any safety aspects. Early intervention with FCTI autologous precursor stem cell therapy can make a difference in maximizing the potential abilities for a better quality of life. FCTI offer autologous precursor stem cells with potent and effective results. Over the years, we have recorded over 80% success in the treatment of diseases or chronic disorders and have resulted in substantial improvements in health conditions of patients. FCTI precursor stem cell therapy is the treatment of choice for diseases such as aging diseases, central nervous system diseases including Parkinson, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, and spinal cord injuries, autism, autoimmune diseases, chromosomal disorders including Down syndrome, cancer treatment, neonatal and perinatal diseases including cerebral palsy, endocrine diseases such as diabetes mellitus, immune system disorders, including AIDS, chronic fatigue syndrome, cardiovascular diseases, liver diseases, kidney diseases, lung diseases, locomotor system diseases, metabolic diseases, digestive system diseases, genetic diseases, skin diseases, radiation injuries, hematological diseases, and the list goes on. To date, we have brought much happiness to many families of underprivileged or handicapped children and adults who were afflicted by all kinds of diseases or disorders. Case in point, heart bypass patient Eric Brown, who hails from Western Australia, had undergone his first implantation of FCTI precursor stem cells back in November 2008. Prior to his therapy, the then 83-year-old former Western Australia police commander had a quadruple bypass and subsequently developed congestive heart failure. He was facing a medicine cabinet full of conventional drugs. I was put on lots of medication, but I was going downhill and my enjoyment of life had gone. Then I heard about the precursor stem cell treatment and decided it was worth a go, he said. His decision proved to be a right one. He continued, "Since then I've felt so much better. People who have known me many years have said the old Eric is back again." For the last 6 years, FCTI has been actively providing professional education programs to physicians across the globe, from Europe to Asia, as far as Africa, Australasia, America, including South America, Dominican Republic, Hong Kong, Malaysia, China, and countless other countries. FCTI team of scientific panel members and key coordinators have also been providing free personalized consultations for patients worldwide. At FCTI, it is our commitment towards the betterment of our patients that fueled our passion, pushed our boundaries, motivating us to reach ever further. FCTI believes that many physicians will come to understand the basic principles that were championed by cellular therapies of old and the modern physicians and gifted visionaries of today. FCTI is the light in the cell that matters.